be showing you how to do an everyday school or work look.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a haul video. Hey guys! Hey everyone!
Hey guys, welcome back.
Hello! Hi, hello! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First, what we want to do is get a bit of sticky tape. I've just come back from Primark. Okay, so next is a dress. Everyone's raving about this on YouTube.
And my arm wobbling.
I have a very colourful cut crease for you.
Keep watching.
Please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is, even though it's on my channel, my original channel, I have decided to up my game basically, you know, sort myself out, look actually decent on camera, well, as decent as I can. I apologise if I am like out of breath in this video. It is absolutely boiling in my room, and with these lights and the one behind me, it is quite hot in this room. Anyway, so today's video is my introduction to my channel. Even though I've had my channel for since 2013, I wanted to do this video just to introduce my channel basically, because I've never done it. I've seen a few of these on YouTube recently, and I've been inspired to actually show you guys what my channel's about, and I want to mix it up a little bit on my channel and actually make good content, not just content because I want to put a video up, but good content that I am happy with uploading to YouTube and making my YouTube channel a place where I want people to come and be inspired. I still want to do makeup tutorials, but I want to do more like talkative, more like get readies with me, more chatty videos. Just because I feel like it's really boring when I'm just sat there telling you what to do. I really love watching makeup tutorials myself, but I do tend to go towards the ones where they're chatting about their day and just stuff like that. So I just want to come on here and do this video. Basically, I have been doing videos non-stop now for about 2 years, but I've had my channel since 2013. I have privated most of my videos because it's embarrassing, to say the least. I felt like I didn't put much effort into my videos. Like I said, I just wanted to get content out. I didn't really make much effort with them, even though I did, if I do say so myself, good makeup looks. I feel like they weren't to the standards I should have been posting. Do you get what I mean? I hope you get what I mean. So, I've revamped my page, my channel. I've redone my logo and stuff like that. Even though it was my logo for my professional makeup artist, I've changed it to like a more personal to me than my job, because I don't want my channel to be based on my job. I want it to be more of a platform where I can be myself, I can be fun, I can swear, I can be myself. So that's another thing that I wanted to get onto, that I felt like I wasn't myself in my videos, but hopefully I'm going to be now. I felt like if I said the wrong thing then someone might come at me, but I wasn't really getting many views, so no one would care anyway. But yeah, now I'm not going to give a shit. Do you know what I mean? I'm a girl who swears, I'm a girl who talks about sex, I'm a girl who talks about her feelings. Not so many people, but this is a great platform to show people my own true self. So if that's something you would like to stick around and see, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I am going to be doing beauty, fashion, lifestyle, vlogs, anything you can think of. Please let me know down below in the comments, because I would love to hear your input as well, because obviously I want to put good content out there that people want to see, if you get what I mean. So yeah, that's why I'm sat here on my bed just chilling and speaking to you guys. I have made effort with my makeup. I've thought about it long and hard. I was going to make a new YouTube channel completely scrap this one and make a new one, but I thought, what's the point in the effort I've put in throughout the years. I'm nearly at 600 subscribers, which is amazing for me. I can't believe 600 people are subscribed to me. I know that might not be a lot to some of you guys out there, like with hundreds of thousands of subscribers, but as long as someone's watching my videos, I don't care how many subscribers I've got. I'm going to try and stop saying "so yeah" in my videos as well, so nearly said it again then. Now I'm going to put more effort in, more of myself in, more of the content that I want to post, not the content that I think should be posted and the things I should be saying. I'm just going to post whatever the fuck I like. So if you don't like it, then click the X up there, but hopefully you guys like my content. The video next after this one will be a more personal video to me, so you guys can get to know me better. I will link it down there or up in the eye, I think it's on this side, when it's up, so go check that out. So I still will be doing makeup tutorials, so if you like makeup tutorials, they are going to be step by step, but they're going to be more chatty, hopefully. Hopefully I get a lot of topics to speak about. Also, I'm going to be doing lots of hauls, lots of try-on hauls, lots of different brands, and also lifestyle. I want to add in some vlogs, some personal, everyday videos, like a what I eat in a day. Let me just turn my phone on silent. What I eat in a day in the life of me, maybe a day in the life of a makeup artist. If you want to see that, let me know. I don't know what else to say. Hopefully I'll look better in my videos as well. Hopefully, like today, I've made a bit more effort. I have a light in the background now, which spices up the background a bit better, a bit brighter. I have my 2 box lights. The video that's coming up now after this, I only had 1 box light on, and then I had the light in the background, which I think counteracted itself. It was brighter in the back, so it made the video a little bit darker because I only had 1 box on. So I apologise about that, but I was really happy with how the video turned out and I've edited it. Also, I have revamped my intro, so let me know how you like that, and also the end of my video. Just let me know tips and tricks, what I should do better and what I should keep as it is. Obviously I'm still going to be me, I'm still going to be Liz, but just a little bit more out there, a little bit more me. So I think I might add in before this or after this some like montage of my videos already that I want to show you guys what I can do, what will be on my channel that I've already posted so far, but also obviously I will up my game. That's all I can say really. My name is Liz Rose. That's what everyone knows me for, just Liz. Just call me Liz, you know. That is my name. Like I said, you will find out more facts about me in the next video, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Also, I'll link my social medias down below so you can go check them out, like my Instagram, which is the main platform I'm on, and obviously YouTube. I have 2 Instagram accounts, so I'll link both of them, of course. I have more of like a makeup one, and then I have more of a personal one, so whichever one, if you want to do both or either or, that's up to you. I just want to put more effort in now. My life's too short to be thinking about other people, do you know what I mean? I don't want to be sat here because I have to. I love filming videos, I love playing with makeup, I love speaking to my camera because I have no one else to speak to apart from my boyfriend. He's probably sick of hearing about this sort of stuff. Yeah, I just feel like it's a good platform for me to get my words spoken, basically. I am up for doing anything and everything: challenges, makeup, fashion, vlogs, documentaries. I really want to do a murder mystery serial killer like video because I'm so into them, but it's so much research and I don't want to get anything wrong. But let me know if you want to see that, because that would be really interesting. But yeah, woohoo! I said but yeah again. Gotta stop. Just stay tuned for my next videos to come. It's going to be exciting, it's going to be a good platform, it's going to be exciting and fun, and I think I said that already, but I'm just excited, you know. I need to sort out my head's not big enough to block out the light. I think I need to put it a bit lower, but I couldn't. Okay. There will be a montage after this or before this, you might have already seen it, or a bit before and a bit after, so we'll never know with my videos because they are always mumbo jumbo, but that's gonna stop. I'm hoping to add some makeup artist stuff into my channel, like my makeup artist kit, like my freelance kit, maybe doing makeup on clients, which would be fun, so just stay tuned, that's all I can say really. If you are liking this, if you are liking me, if you enjoyed my older videos, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. It's my intro, so hopefully you did. Let me know again what you want to see from me, and let's get them comments coming in the comment section. What's it, Liz? Pat on the back. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope I didn't blabber too much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Please comment, rate and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone. Okay, so I really like my hair like this. I feel like I'm in like Aladdin or something. I got like a kink in my hair though, which isn't pretty. What is my hair doing now? This is what I mean. You'll get bloopers like this at the end of every video probably. I look really brown. Just come off holiday, so I'm just blabbering now. What the fuck am I on about now? Like, what?